Having trouble with your Frigidaire gas range not lighting or heating properly? No worries. If the range doesn't appear to be working, here are a few things to check. Make sure your range is properly connected to power. Check your fuse box to make sure the circuit is on. And make sure the gas valve is turned on. Note, if you're using LP gas instead of natural gas, make sure the air mixture is adjusted properly. If your gas range was just installed, reach out to the installer so they can check the connections. If you experience uneven flames that are too high, or discolored, ensure the burner cap is on correctly. Check that all of the burner caps are level and placed correctly on the burner heads. The burner cap should be centered on the burner head. Wiggle the cap to make sure it doesn't move off the burner head. If you still have uneven flames from the burner ports may have become clogged. Before cleaning, make sure the burner is off and cool. Use a toothbrush and warm soapy water to clean all over the burner head, also cleaning the slots and holes in the burner. Check your use and care guide for additional cleaning instructions. Having difficulty getting the surface burners to light? First, make sure that the surface control knob is completely turned to light. Push the surface control knob in and turn it to light until the burner ignites. Then turn the control knob to the desired flame size. If you still can't get the burner to light, the ignition port may be clogged. Use a needle or fine wire to clean it out. When operating correctly, burners should produce blue flames. If the flame is orange, there may be dust particles in the main gas line. Just leaving the burner lit for a few minutes should clear out the line so the flame turns blue. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You've got this.